Unit 302 in Commodore's Retreats. It is having a complete renovation. It's 1 bedroom plus bunks. Here you have, there'll be shelving, storage space, washer, dryer. And you've got your bathroom. Still have the countertops to get put in. Nice flooring and shiplap throughout. This is just extra storage, closet space. Once this is finished, this will be built-in bunks, which will be nice. A nice open living, dining area. Your kitchen. It'll have all new stainless steel appliances, new HVAC and water heater, a 38-gallon water heater. And then out here you've got your balcony and beautiful golf views. And it'll look pretty great once it's all finished.